Crash courses. Today's crash course is on Niagara Falls. Talk about your water slides.
I sure hope you're not thinking what I think you're thinking.
Of course I am. It's what makes me an intrepid explorer of scientific wonder and you an overly judgmental intern.
But, sir, very few people have gone over them and lived.
That's because most people don't have this little beauty. That's right, my bathysphere is back. 700 pounds of cast iron, some rust for color, and a half dozen rolls of duct tape, making this little puppy perfect for a water slide like this.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
Well, you think that because I didn't point out that I added a parachute. One pull of the ripcord and I'll float down for a gentle plop. But first, these fast facts. Fact number 1. The Niagara Falls is really 3 different waterfalls. The American Falls, the Horseshoe Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. Number 2. The power plant at the Niagara Falls can produce enough electricity to power up to 4 million homes. And number 3. The water that flows over Niagara Falls is moving from one of the Great Lakes, Lake Erie, to another, Lake Ontario. Well, that was stimulating. To the water. Sandra, I'm floating down the Niagara River. Can you hear that?
What? The sound of your impending doom?
Oh, Sandra, you're such a kidder.
Sir, stop.
I'm sorry. The kids are counting on me.
No kids are counting.
3, 2, 1. Well, that's embarrassing. Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.